afternoon to all of you. Hope you all are fine. So students, firstly you just write down the date. It's 12/6/20, and the other side you just write down the day also. It's Friday. Subject English. Chapter 4, In the Park, page number 42. So please open the Prime English book. Everyone open, those who have books, please open Prime English book, page number 42. So today students, we will discuss about the vocabulary junction, vocab words. When Dolly plays in the park, she feels very happy and excited. The words happy and excited describe feelings. So you just underline that both of the words, happy and excited. There are many such words that describe feelings. Example, there are some pictures, they are describe feeling. So you just look at the first picture, afraid. Second one is angry, excited, frightened, grumpy, surprised, happy, joyful, lonely, shocked, bored, sad, scared, shy and silly. These all are the pictures and they are describe feelings. So come to the next page, page number 43. So students, you just choose the one word from the help box and write it below the picture. So first one is silly. You just write down here silly. First word is SILLY, silly. And the next picture is scared, SCARED, scared. And the third one is, look at the third picture. You just choose the word from the help box and write it below the picture. Look at this picture. He is angry. You just write angry. And the next picture, look at this boy. He is happy. You just write the word happy below the picture. HAPPY, happy. And the fifth picture is, the boy is surprised. You just write the first word surprised, SURPRISED, surprised. And the last picture is, the boy is sad. Look at the picture. You just write the sad word here, SAD, sad. So please open the English grammar book. We have already discussed about pronouns. So please students, open the English grammar book. Pronouns, chapter 7. You just write here, chapter 7, pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we and they. These all words are the pronouns. We have already discussed about I, you, he, she and it. And student, today we will talking about the two pronouns, we and they. We pronoun. So please open the 29 page. Everyone open the 29 page. We use pronoun we in the place of name of more than one person including ourselves. We हम कब use करते हैं? When we talk about ourselves and the another one. Like मैंने अपनी बात करी and मैंने दूसरे की भी बात करी. Like जैसे मैं बात कर रही हूँ और पूरी क्लास है. When we including ourselves with yourself, we use we. For example, Ravi and I. इंक्लूडिंग ourselves। जब हम अपनी में बात करेंगे, रवि एंड आई आर ब्रदर्स। रवि एंड आई आर ब्रदर्स मीन्स रवि और मैं दोनों ब्रदर्स हैं। वी गो टू स्कूल every day। Ravi and I are brothers. We go to school every day। हमने यहाँ we क्यों यूज किया? Ravi and I, these both words are the हम बार बार जैसे names यूज नहीं कर सकते, instead we use pronouns। Ravi and I are brothers. We go to school every day। Look at the one example more। Seema and I are sisters। Seema and I, look at this word I, I word is introduced ourselves। Seema and I are sisters। Seema और मैं sisters हैं। We are from हैदराबाद। सीमा एंड आई आर सिस्टर। अब वो सीमा की भी बात कर रहा है और अपनी भी बात कर रहा है साथ में। सीमा और मैं सिस्टर्स हैं एंड हम कहाँ से हैं? हैदराबाद। सो बी हमने कहाँ यूज करना है? व्हेन वी टॉकिंग अबाउट आवरसेल्फ एंड योरसेल्फ, मतलब जब हम अपनी भी बात करते हैं एंड दूसरे की भी बात करते हैं। क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू? सो नेक्स्ट वन इज they। Last pronoun is they। they हम तब यूज करेंगे जब हम एक पर्सन से ज्यादा के बारे में, जब हमने he का यूज किया था, he हमने तब यूज किया था जैसे हम मेल पर्सन की बात करते हैं। she when the name is a female person, right? so हमें they यूज करना है when we talk about the एक से ज्यादा, मतलब more than one, right? so you just look at the example। Tony and Tina have a pet dog, right? Tony and Tina, मतलब दो हो गए। एक से ज्यादा की जब बात करेंगे we use they, बट इसमें हमने I की अपनी बात नहीं गई, हमने दूसरों की दो गर्ल्स हैं Tony and Tina। Tony and Tina have a pet dog means two persons की बात करी है, तो जब एक से ज्यादा हो जाएगा तो हमने they का यूज करना है। Tony and Tina have a pet dog। They play with their dog। Clear? They play with their dogs because हम बार बार Tony and Tina यहाँ पे यूज नहीं करेंगे, instead we use pronoun। Next one example is Amit and Neha live near school। They walk to school every day। Clear? Amit and Neha, names हैं Amit and Neha live near school। They, अब बार बार अमित एंड नेहा नहीं बोल सकते, instead we use pronoun। pronoun is they walk to school every day। clear? so read the sentences। first one is read the sentences, choose the correct pronoun and fill in the blanks। Kunal and I are best friends. I give you two options, they and we. You just choose the one word from the file box and write here कि यहाँ they आएगा and we आएगा. Okay? Go to school together. We use we because हमने बात करी है when we talk about ourselves and yourself. मतलब जब हम अपने आप को भी बीच में इंक्लूड करेंगे we use we. So we just write we. The next one is Susan and Manmeet. Susan and Manmeet are healthy. Dash. Again, I give you the two words. They and we eat apples every day. Susan and Manmeet. अब इसमें हमने अपने आप की बात नहीं की, हमने अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं किया. Susan and Manmeet, two girls के नेम हैं, are healthy. So you just write here they. एक से ज्यादा के बारे में बात हो रही है. Susan और Manmeet, these are two girls, are healthy. They eat apples every day. Third one is Priya and Sonu are in the park. Priya and Sonu are in the park. Dash. Again, two words, they and we are playing football. Priya and Sonu are in the park. They. You just write here. They are playing football. The next one is the children are in the library. They and we. You just choose the one word from the box. Are reading books. Right? The children. अब children एक child की बात नहीं है. Children means बहुत सारे बच्चे. Children are in the library. पूरी class एक library में है. They are reading books. You just write here they. And the last one is Amit and I are neighbors. Amit and I are neighbors. They and we help each other. Amit and I. अब इसमें I यूज हुआ है. When we use I, we just write here we. So hope you all are